Hey y'all, this is Jamilah Michelle. I am with my beautiful cousin Esperanza. She is a Morphe specialist. Get into her. She has a full makeup page, Makeup by Espi. I want you guys to go ahead and follow her. She does amazing work. What we're gonna do today is actually talk about how to cut crease, which I have no idea how to do, and some new brow techniques because I want to learn something new. So without further ado, let's get into it.
See, I'm trying to work on my brows that if I put gel in it like that, like, I could just leave it. You know what I mean? Like, seriously, get into a bushy brow.
I usually do like a cute, clean brow, and then I try to like create hairs because my eyebrows are so sparse. If you were recommending a way to do, like a technique to do like a clean brow.
If I could recommend a technique, it would be focus the very front to the middle on trying to be as natural as possible. I'm trying this new brow gel. It's not new, but like ColourPop gel. I usually use eyelash glue. Eyelash glue? Like, I just take a spoolie, because I've got disposables when I freelance, then I just like put it on, and then when I do it, it's like, and believe it or not, it actually doesn't leave clumps on. So, and my hairs haven't really fallen out. A lot of people are like weird. So I think a really small definer pencil is best. Using Morphe and Java. This is hard to get a hold of. This little pencil is hard to get a hold of, but I like it because it is so thin, especially what we're going for. So to do a hair-like stroke, you want to take the grip at the very, very end of whatever you're using because it's always where it's the lightest. If you ever feel like you're putting something on that's like way too harsh, you're probably choked up on the brush or whatever thing you're using. The farther back, the better. So when you go in at the very end, you're just gonna, it's almost like a flick motion. Just straight up, as light as possible, and in a straight line to create hair like.
Powder for my eyebrows?
That works too.
So I'll be using like a little, what's this, angled eyebrow brush, dark brown, and this James Charles Morphe palette. So I'm gonna try to do what she's doing. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. That's the only way we're gonna grow.
What's it?
Not bad.
Can you do it?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me know if I'm like hurting. First of all, why is your skin so like clear? Some of us have a whole skincare regimen. You're like my friends. What do you do for skincare? I just drink water.
Last video I did, I started out with a cup of water and I just busted hair, busted face.
Drank water.
Drank water.
But do you feel like my emotion is just really like, by the time I'm done flicking, the brush is already off. And like, look in the mirror.
Wow. And it's so like faint.
It's very faint. Up close action. So when you conceal, do you conceal top and bottom?
I do.
I'm gonna go in with this pink from Les James. C'est James Charles Palettes. I'm gonna go in with my M433 brush from Morphe. And initially for adding colors, I always recommend you tap. You tap the color into the lid, and I'm done. Okay.
I haven't got it.
Why not?
It's not even as pigmented as.
Are you tapping? Like literally pat, 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 pat. Keep going. I need you to go into a tealish color, something like this. If you want to use that one or that one from James, and go a little like more into the crease.
I feel like this is how I wanted to do it, and I did it really harsh on this side.
Just try to even it out. You let me know when you're ready to cut the crease.
I'm ready to cut the crease.
You ready? Stop. get some thick product like concealer.
Okay.
Or for those who have it, the P. Louise base is what I use too. Squeeze it to where you have like a little amount like that.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Okay.
And then get a brush that's rounded pretty much like that. Perfect. Now, take the brush and just the very tip, start running that product on it. So, the trick. Hold your mirror, tilt your chin up a little bit to make sure that your eyelid space is as flat as possible. Being flat is the most important step.
Okay.
So, start from your inner corner. And press. Press that product on there. Lift. Let me see. The key for me to a clean cut crease is actually pressing it. But I literally pick my brush up with the same product and tap it. Like inch by inch. Blink like this. Go, like, look straight up. Perfect. All right, look in the mirror. Do you see where it landed?
Yeah.
That's where you should be cutting the crease. And follow that line and cut it to the shape of your eyeball, nice and round.
Yeah, I feel like this eye was like perfect.
Nice and
then
crisp?
This one
Yeah.
was like,
I'm gonna keep going with my eyes.
Okay. Trial and error.
Trial and error.
Trial and error.
All right, now keep your eyes like pretty
Yeah.
taut, so nothing like, you know, you don't blink and then ruin the crease that you just worked hard for with your rendition on it.
Yes.
There you go, come through, baby blue. Anything is possible. Okay, do you have any drink recommendations for my 21st? You take a darker blue and smoke out the corners.
Yes. Okay.
I'm using our Morphe brand primer, just came out with our foundations.
Hey. Shameless plug.
Shameless plug.
Smashbox. Photo finish.
You have oily or dry skin?
I have combination skin.
Really? I'm going in with the Loreal Infallible. That's what I thought. Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. It's like one of the newer ones that's come out. I just wanted to test it.
My famous Nars in the color Stromboli.
Oh hell.
Yes.
I usually set my foundation.
Really? Before you?
I set it. This is a trick a lot of people don't do. I set it just so it can kind of keep it from, what's the word I'm looking for?
Getting patchy.
Basically, thank you. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick because mother, that's what. In suede.
Swear.
It's just a really nice warm one. I just love her so much. I definitely want to try the KKW.
We'll see, bitch. She's. They all are just a mess right now.
A lot of people look at me funny when I tell them, but I contour with a fan brush. But I'm going in with the 8H Contour and Highlight Palette by Morphe. Because that's my baby.
I love how he just cuts the. And I've been doing this in a lot of my videos since I saw her do it. Or she'll spray after she sets so she don't look dusty, and then take her foundation sponge and then pat over it just to like smooth it out. I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna panic. Those dry spots. Good idea.
I got a wiener dog. And then I have a Sharpay Beagle. Mascara everywhere. I'm
mascara because I'm like, I want it to be perfect.
Honestly, if you're throwing lashes on top, don't even worry about it. I am complete. Final look.
Yes.
Make you different. Do you listen? Is you one to keep it silent? Is you snitching? Is you thorough? Is you bitching? I don't front. Are you impressed by what I'm kicking? Yeah.